Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm pretty sure I've gone over this before, but not just these two letters, C and E. They're really, really useful. C is for vertical, E is for horizontal. C basically means center, so we select them all and I hit the letter C, it puts them in a line. But now if I hold down the Shift key and hit the letter C, it puts them a line equally spaced. So if we go here and we go E, and you can see, let's move one of these drastically out of the way, and then grab them both and hit the Shift key and E. It put them evenly spaced. They're aligning them. I mean, that's what it's doing. If we go to effects and transform, well, not transform, arrange and align and distribute, you can see the E and the C, but it doesn't ever tell you about the Shift key, which is pretty important. And a lot of times I find it actually works better. Let's put that back to where it was. Let's go to Windows, Dockers, and align and distribute. And there's 4 choices here to distribute them. Well, this is from Edge, so that worked. But a lot of times, if you hit this one, well, it looked like it worked. Maybe this is going to work because it's doing the space between or centered. But it's so easy, instead of opening up that Docker, just to select them and go Shift E, and you'll have them equally spaced apart. Hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.